guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. So you can see I am on my YouTube app and this video works for all devices, and so let's get it. So first of all, to find the recently uploaded videos, you have to search the keyword or video that you want to watch. In my case, let me search this Trump, and I want to see the recently uploaded videos on this keyword or related to Trump on YouTube app. So that all I have to do is tap on this three dot on the top right corner, this one, and go to the search filter, and inside the search filter all you have to do is upload date. Go to this section inside upload date and you can navigate or so filter last hour, today, this week, this month. This is, let's say I want to see the recently uploaded videos about Trump in the last hour. Tap on this and apply. So these all videos are recently uploaded. This video were uploaded in the last 1 hour. So this is how you find the recently uploaded videos on YouTube. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe for more. Let me know what you think.